Hello, today I will be learning LM drum machine by Behringer, and I think I've spent about 40 minutes so far into this drum machine. So what I'm going to show you today is probably my struggle and what I learn for the next 55 minutes of this video. So it will show my struggle as well as my gains or my new learnings. Yeah. Is that the right word? Yeah. Yeah. I'll be showing what I would be learning as well. That's what I'm trying to say. So far, I like the sound, but it's very finicky. I don't know how to get it started. Like, how to make a pattern, save pattern. If I want to delete a certain step, I don't know how to delete it. I don't know how to save it. You know, that sort of thing. But since I love Roger Linn's Linn drum machines so much, the sound of it, so that's why I have to learn it. If I can't learn it, then I have to put it on reverb or something and just get rid of it. But because I don't want that, I have to learn it. And here it goes. If I didn't like the sound from this clone from the get-go, I would have just sold it already. Yeah, on Reverb or eBay. And what was the other thing I wanted to say? I forgot. Sorry. But because of the sound, you know, even if, you know, it's pretty hard to approach, and, you know, the learning curve is, for me, it's, I think it's I feel like I'm learning like something new, you know, like I have to put efforts into it, like more than I wanted. So here it goes. Yeah. Okay, so here it goes. What I want to figure out is I want to know how to erase it and save it, or, you know, override it, that kind of thing. I want to confirm it. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Okay, so wow, is it? One thing I want to say is I thought I have to like save it by clicking this, but it's more, one thing I found is I could be wrong, but by pressing the record button, it does something. I think it's saving it. To be honest, not sure, but here I go. I just erased these, right? So I just have these left. So let's see if that's gonna allow me to save. Let's say that did it, you know. No, it is, so I'm wrong. Okay. Okay, now we try again, because now we see the green, I'm sorry, red and the green button at the same time. Earlier, when I tried it, right, we just saw a red button, but now we see both. So let's see if that's gonna save it. That does save it. Now I feel like I just want to see if that's actually going to save it instead of pressing the save button, you know, save the pattern button. I want to see this alone is going to do the saving. Here we go. Turn it off. Turn it back on. And now we go back to step 1. I'm sorry, pattern mode 2. It's 2, 1, but now 1. So let's see if that's working. That's working. That is working. Beautiful. Great. Let's try a few more things. Let's try to save it. Pattern mode. Now I have to go to step mode. Get rid of it. And then let's say now this. And I want to hit red and no. What just happened was it just recalled what I've saved earlier. So let me try it again. So step, go to 1. No, that's not right. Pattern, go to 1. So yeah, right there, right? Let's change it. Let's change it and save it. Step. So yeah, that's what was being played. Get rid of these two. 1 pattern, and then now we want to save it. Well, I just want to try one more thing. Okay, one thing. I want to try this thing right now. I want to try saving. I want to save by doing this instead of hitting the record button. So save. Pattern 1. You know. Just want to tell you, I don't know what I'm doing, but here it is. 1, save song, save song, save confirm, hit confirm. I don't see confirm. Pattern 1 is selected because I hit it. Save confirm. Save. Oh, I'm gonna hit save. Let's hope that did it. Let's hope that did it. Okay. I know I don't have to turn it off and turn it back on every time, but yeah, that's the only way I know for now. So let's go back to step 1, no, pattern 1 and 1. Let's see if that what I wanted happened. Let's see what I wanted to happen happened. Let's see. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So it doesn't save. So I'm doing something wrong. The only way to save this that I know is by pressing this button. I don't know why clicking save doesn't do it. I don't know why. But here it goes. So go back to step. Get rid of these. I got rid of it. Step 0, 1, step, and I'm gonna hit this, and I'm gonna hit this too. So I'm gonna see red button and green button. So let's. Okay. Okay, it's just recalled what I have. So I'm gonna get rid of it. These two. Get rid of it. I hope that does it. Okay? Now, I'm gonna get rid of the red button. Turn it off, turn it back on. Turn it off, turn it back on. Now, go back to step. No, pattern 1, pattern 1, pattern 1. That did it. So the only way I know, to save is by seeing red and green button together. That's the only like instance, so far that does the saving. Yeah. So the only way for me to save that I know is when I see the red button and the green button both on at the same time. Then I know it saves a pattern, the pattern or one pattern, the first pattern. Okay, let's see if it stays that way. Go back to pattern 1, pattern 2. To be honest, this is kind of difficult. I haven't read the manual. From what I've seen, people say manuals didn't really help. I know, you should still read the manual, but anyways, here it goes. It says 011, 021, 031, 041, 051. So 1. What does this 1 mean? Like, I don't know what this 051. What is that 1 of? I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna turn it off and back on. So step pattern 1, and oh, good. If I press the red, it's gonna recall what I've saved already. No, never mind. What happened? Never mind. Something's I didn't do a good job there. Okay, so pattern mode, and if I do this, no, I should go to step mode. Now there it is. Okay, so now I'm gonna do it again. Do it again. Step mode. And okay, step mode. Get rid of these two. That's all I want. Get rid of these two. Hopefully, since I see blue and green, no, red and green, now that it's saved. Okay? I'm gonna stop it. I don't think I have to, but yeah, turn that off. I'm gonna start again, and let's see if that got erased. Yes, it got erased. Yes, it got erased. Faster way to do this is by using the erase button, I think. But yeah. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna try to create 3 different patterns. One thing I wanted to say really quick is you don't want. I feel like I don't want to like get a new gear because you have to learn these things from each of new gear you get. Like you have to learn what I want you, like you have to learn, like every time you get a new gear, you have to learn it. And you kind of don't want that. You don't want to learn many times. You just want to get in and just play and record. You know, that's what you want to do. Get there quick. You want to get there quick without having to learn or relearn, you know, every time. Even if you learn something, you might even forget. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. You don't want to learn many things. You want to learn as few as possible, few instruments as possible. Not instruments, but like few drum machines, few synths as possible. Because you can't, yeah, I mean, you get it. I don't have to explain that. Okay, great. Let's do this. So, what I want to do is, right now I see I'm on pattern mode. 1, 2, 3. I still don't know what this 1 means. 0, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 3, 1. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create 3 different patterns, and I'm gonna play those like all together, one after another, without stopping. Yeah, and I know I can do that, I think, by just pressing a button, you know, while being played. So yeah, because I don't know how the song mode works. I just want to do that. Let's do that one step at a time. So let's quickly do. Okay, pattern 1. Pattern 1. I mean, yeah, pattern 1. 1, 1. So hit record. I don't know why it's going to that end mode whenever I do this. I kind of don't like that. Okay, so let's start again. Go to pattern. No, step mode. I'm gonna go to step mode. Step. Okay, here we go. Pattern 1, I think. No, I don't know. So this is what I'm gonna do. Bass. That's the click track. But why is it not being played? Let's take a step back. Pads, where am I? Where am I? This feels really weird. Because bass? Oh yeah, it is weird. Okay, it is weird. It is weird because its bass is here, but then when I press here, it's playing something like bass. That's because I did something not right. Okay, so here we go. Pads. Let's go to factory reset. How about that? Now going back to pads. Now more like it. Here it goes. Back to step. No, back to pads. No, back to step. Okay, step. I think we're in step 1. Let's say erase pattern 1. Yes. Where's yes? No. You gotta click erase. Then now I'm gonna click your pattern 2. Pattern 2 selected. Erase. Go to erase. pattern 3, erase. Did I do it right? I don't know. Pattern 3 selected, erase. Okay, so now I just did that. I want to see. Why am I hearing this? Something's weird. So, pattern. Okay, erase. Pattern selected, erase. Erase. Pattern selected, erase. Erase. Pattern 3 selected, erase. Okay, now I don't hear. That's great. Okay, wonderful. So I'm gonna put in some. I have to go to steps and. Oh yeah. Okay, that's great. That's great. That's great. Wonderful. So now we are in. Let's go. Let's just do it by this order: bass, snare, side, side stick. So let's go bass. For pattern 1, 1, 2, I don't know, something like that. 1, 2, 3, 1, something like that. I'm not gonna even hear it. So boom, there it goes. Now we want to save it. How do I save it? The only way I know is by doing this. So let's try this. And I feel like when I do this, it's gonna recall the earlier one that I had. So let's see. So I was right. Click track. Bass. So that's still a bass, but a weaker version of that. Let's see. Sorry. Let's go with that. Okay, so now I think it's saved. I think it's saved. Now we are gonna go to pattern. No. I gotta save it. Yes. No, actually I think it's saved already. I'm not sure, but here we go. So now get rid of this. Go to step. I'm just gonna believe that it got saved correctly, the pattern 1. So I'm gonna start working on pattern 2. So pattern 2, here we go. Step, no, pattern 2. Now we're on pattern 2. I hope that's where we're on. I hope that's where we are at. Okay, step. Pattern 2 step mode. Okay, so now I'm gonna do snare. And here it goes. Because I'm seeing red and green, I'm just gonna assume it got saved correctly. Okay, now I hope I saved the 2 correctly. I'm gonna work on pattern 3. Let's go to pattern 3. Let's go to pattern 3. This is pattern 2. Now we are on pattern 3. Step. Yes, go to step mode. And now, side stick. Go here. So this doesn't have a variation, like one at a higher volume, one at a normal volume, one at a lower volume. It doesn't have that. I'm gonna do it super simple. So I'm gonna assume again that it got saved because I see red and green at the same time. Okay, so this is the moment of truth. The moment of truth. I'm hoping everything, the pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3 got saved. I'm gonna turn it off. And let's see. Go to pattern mode. Go to pattern mode. Play. Great. 2. Back to pattern 1, back to pattern 1. Back to pattern 3. And 2 back to. So yeah, it starts after the pattern is finished, not in the middle. It doesn't switch right away. That's great. Now, what I kind of want to do is, this is what I kind of want to do. What I want to do is, these patterns are 16 steps, right? These patterns. I want to know if I can change one of these patterns to 32 step pattern, and I want to see if I can play one after another right after, because one pattern is 16 step, and the other is 32 step. Yeah, does it make sense? Yeah. Yeah, okay. 32 steps, yes. Okay, so let's change 2. Let's change 2. I'm sorry, let's change this. No, actually, I don't want to confuse myself. So I'm gonna do pattern 3. I'm gonna change pattern 3, which is a side stick. So I'm gonna right now we are in step 16 pattern. But I'm sorry. Right now, the pattern 3 has 16 steps. Now I'm going to make that 32 steps. Let's try that. So menu and step size. No, that's not it. Sorry. No. I'm gonna go to length. And 16 by 16 pattern length. You have to just, yes. Now 32 over 32. I'm just gonna hit this. I don't know. No, I'm just gonna click this. I think yes does it too, but I'm gonna click that, or yes. Oof, doesn't work. I'm gonna just click length. Hopefully that does it. So yes, that does it. Oh, actually, 1 second. I want to see steps. Doesn't show. Pads, maybe? I want to see it. Actually, let's take a step back. All right. Go to pattern. Pattern 1. Still in 16 steps? Oh no. Still in 16? That's great. That's great. Good news. Back to great. Just want to confirm it again. I have this, yeah, just have to confirm it really quick. So pattern, 16 steps, great. Okay, 30, shit. Yeah, but yeah, it is in 32 steps, I believe, because it's not 16, obviously. So, back to 16. Yeah, so that does it. That confirms it. That's great. That it is possible to do that. To have one pattern, keep one pattern at 16 step while keeping the other pattern at 32 step. So it is possible. That is great. Now what do I want to do? What I want to do is I want to see it. I want to be able to visualize this, right? So let's visualize what I am comfortable first. So what I'm comfortable is 16 step, because I think I've seen it already. I don't see it. Back to step mode. I don't still see it. Maybe if I go to this mode, I still don't see it. This is what I'm saying. It's I feel like this kind of thing should come pretty easily. I still like, you know, this great sounding machine, but these kind of things. It can make it difficult, or for some people, if they don't, it really comes down to, if they really like the sound enough, they would keep it. They would learn it. You know how to navigate through. How to navigate on this machine. If they don't like the sound enough, they would just probably just sell it on Reverb. But since I like the sound, most likely I'm gonna keep it. But so now I want to visualize it. That's what I want to do. Okay. So I want to see pattern 1. I want to visualize pattern 1. Let's go to pads. Why can I not see it? Let's go here. And why is end mode? I don't know what it means. Oh, I think I know what it means. So it helps you when it enables you to end at a certain step. Like say if you want to end at 15th step, I think that's what it is. Not sure, but I'm gonna do it again. Okay. I want to see it. Help me see it. Oh, I was being stupid. Sorry. Click this, then I will see it. Let's go to step. Yes. I was stupid. So you gotta click it. Which one, it is to see what's being played. Okay, that's great. Good news. Okay, so now I want to see pattern 3. So pattern 3, I want to see it. Pattern 3, let's go pattern 3. Pattern 3, we're on pattern 3. And because pattern 3 is all side sticks, side stick clicked. Why do I not see it? Because I was not on the step mode. Great. So now what I want to do is, this was a trouble I was having with. The trouble here is I can see the from 1 to 16, but I don't see from 17th to 32. That was the issue. So let's quickly see it. Okay? Let's see if, oh, maybe this is it. I'm gonna try the most obvious one. Let's do this, okay? Back to step. I want to see it again. Help me see it. How do I visualize this pattern? Am I supposed to click this? This problem. Oh, I think I know. Let's go back this way. Let's see. Yes, see. Okay, that's great. Now I'm gonna put something in. Oh, right. Let's try this. Because earlier I was just seeing the green. Let's see both. Let's see red and green and red, or red and green. Doesn't matter. Okay, here we go. I want to turn off the click just a little bit because it's too confusing. Just a little bit. So to see the pattern, there it is. Wonderful. This is great. Okay, now. I want something that's contrasting, obviously, just to see that it is working, you know. Let's see. It's already confirming it's working, but let's see. I don't know. Okay, that's good. It's not it's not musically what I want, but I just want to move on. So because we just saw green and red, I'm gonna assume it got saved. Okay, and this time I'm not gonna turn this off. I'm just gonna turn it off. Okay, because before I hit this to I don't know, just to I don't know why I did it. It just comfort me, you know, when I have this off before turning the machine off. But let's just do it. Turn off the machine, and now turn it back on. I hope it got saved successfully earlier. Pattern 3. Let's see. Step 3. No, pattern 3. Boom. Now show me the pattern. Woo, it doesn't show. Okay, so step. Doesn't show. I don't like what's just happened to me because it's not what I expected. So I want to see it. When I click these, I want to see the change I've made. Then I want to see that it got saved correctly. So step. No. No, I'm doing something wrong. Go to pattern 3 and click that. feel like it got saved correctly, but now I want to see it. Oh, I know why I cannot see it. Why? Because we are not on the same voice. It says a voice select. I'm just going to use the word voice because that's the word they use, voice select. You want to see what's making the sound, you know. You got to pick the sound that's making. So it is side stick. Wonderful, I see it. Now, can I see it without, can I see the whole thing? Not just from 1 to 16, but from 17 to 32. Can I see it without having it be played at the same time? So let's see it. Yes, you don't have to play it to see it. That's great, wonderful. So now, just want to see it. Can I see it while being played? So that's. I think I've just confirmed it, but we'll see. Something feels weird. I feel like some other changes have been made that weren't wanted. Like there's some unwanted changes that were made, I feel like. So let's confirm that. Side stick. Let's go to side stick. Go to side stick. Step pattern. No, pattern. Step. Maybe not. I'm not on this right thing. Side step. No, you know why? It is because I am not on the right pattern. Pick the right pattern. We're currently on 1. Let's go to 3. Let's go to 3. 3 is selected. 3 is there. This is 0, 3, 1 pattern. Now I want to go to step because I want to see the step. I want to see it. It is correct. Voice is selected, correct instrument, correct sound. Let's see, can I get rid of it? Okay, so anyways, that's what I have. So that's great, I see it. I just want to see if I do a different pattern and save it. I mean, I already confirmed it. I want to see it would get saved correctly again. Just want to confirm that one more time. Okay, let's save it. I want to see if it would save it correctly. So not technically, if I see red and green button together, it's supposed to save. And what I just did is I just erased everything I have for this side stick. So it shouldn't make any sound if I just hit these two. I'm gonna hit these two and turn it off and turn it back on. That's my plan. Okay, I'm not gonna even listen to it. So I'm not gonna turn this off before turning off the machine, but here it goes. Okay, turn it back on. Okay, here it goes. So, the moment of truth. The moment of truths. It's truth, yeah, the moment of truth. Okay, here it goes. So, pattern 3. Right now we're in pattern 1, pattern 3. Sides. Go to step. And we want to make sure we're seeing the correct sound, which is a side stick. It did not get saved. It didn't do what I wanted. Let's get rid of these. I want to get rid of everything on side stick. Next pattern, get rid of these. I want to save it. That's my plan. I want to save it. Oh, I get it. I get it now. It just recalled it just recalled the last thing I saved. So to save, I have to make modification. So let's do it. Can I? Go to next step. I want to see the next step. Okay, now I see it. Good? Okay. Click, just a click track. So hopefully now it got saved. Yeah? Because what I just did was see the red and green button and then make a change. Because that's what does the saving. Yeah, you don't have to press again. Press like green and red button again. So let's see. Let's hope it got saved correctly. Turn it off. Turn it back on. The moment of truth. Okay, here it goes. Go to pattern 3. Select pattern 3. I want to see side stick, not snare. I want to hear it. I want to hear it and see it, both. So now, I'm going to click this. And what I want is, I want to hear nothing except for a click track. And I want to, I don't want to see nothing. I want to hear nothing, at least for side stick. And it's expected to hear the click track. Da, da, da. Okay, here we go. That is wonderful. That is wonderful. Now, let's see. The other patterns are not affected. Yeah, let's see if other patterns have been affected, and I think they have not been affected. Here we go. Great. Still in the 16-step mode. Great. Still in the 16-step mode. This is pattern 2. Now I'm gonna do pattern 3. And we're supposed to hear nothing, almost nothing. Maybe we would hear click track, I don't know. But main thing is I don't want to hear any side stick. That's great. That's great. Mission success. Great. Mission completed. Not completed. That's good. I've confirmed. It's working. It's working. It's working. Okay, great. Next thing I want to do is I want to know. Right, so far I'm just going between step and pattern. Modes. So I never click song. One thing I've noticed was in song mode, it feels like you can go from like one pattern of, let's say, 120 BPM to a different pattern of different BPM. So, for example, if pattern 1 was at 120 BPM, I think in song mode you can go to like 140, a pattern of 140 BPM. That was the impression I've gotten so far. So if you're just in pattern mode, I feel like that's not possible. I might be wrong, but yeah, in song mode you can go from like a certain BPM to like a different BPM. That was the impression I was having, but Let's see if that's not true. So we're on pattern mode. We're on pattern mode, right? Let's see. Let's go to song mode really quick, just to show what I'm talking about. Song mode. Song mode. No, turn it back on. Turn it off. Turn it back on because I just want to start fresh. Song mode. 140. That's too loud. Let's do this. Pattern is. I feel like it's not working. Okay. Okay. Pattern mode. Great. I'm gonna switch. Right now we're at 140. I'm gonna do 120. Let's do 120. And I want to save it. How do I save it? I don't know. Let's do the only method I know. Seeing the red and green at the same time. And then turn it back off. Let's see if that gets saved. If change of tempo gets saved. Let's see if that does it. Yes, it does. But I want to see, because I want to keep this pattern 2 at 140, because it was originally 140. I want to see if unwanted change has happened to pattern 2. No, sorry. Okay. Turn it off, turn it back on. You don't have to, you might not have to do it, but that's the only way I know. So pattern, go to step. No, pattern, go to pattern. Pattern 2. Oh, that's wonderful. So the unwanted change has not been made. That's great. Wonderful. So I want to see, while sticking, while being inside, while staying on this pattern mode, I want to see if I can go from 1 BPM to the other. In other words, I want to see if I can go from one pattern of a certain BPM to another pattern of a different BPM. Let's see it. 120 BPM. That's that's pattern 1. So let's go to pattern 2. Oh, wow. Okay, it does it. That's great. Whew. And while we are at it, why not just assign something, some other BPM number to pattern 3. Let's go to pattern 3. So what we just confirmed is this is a great news. I feel like I never have to use the song mode. I can make the song I want with just using pattern and step and a little bit of pads mode. I don't need to use the song mode. And I want to know, then why would you need the song mode? I mean, at least for my needs right now, I don't feel the need. But here it goes. Here it goes. In my mind, what song mode is basically a song. The song mode is basically a group of pattern mode, like more patterns in one group, and that's what the song mode is. I think that's what it is. But anyways, yeah, let's do what I said I'm gonna do. The thing I wanted to do was assign some BPM, a different BPM to pattern 3, and see that would work. Okay, let's do pattern 3. No. What I want to do is pattern 3. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna see red and green at the same time, and then I'm gonna turn the BPM. And I hope that does the saving. That's what I want to see. So currently pattern 3, seeing red and green. It's not yielding the result I want. It's not what I want. See, if I turn this knob, it's not doing what I want. But anyways, I'm gonna get out of this. I'm gonna turn it off. And I'm hearing the my alarm going off. So I'm gonna end this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good one.